Hey guys, Greg Lilly, Underground Graphics. Today we're going to do a stealth PPF screen protector in our TRX. If you didn't know, we were super excited, or are super excited, that we've got a TRX at the shop. We're going to start doing some kits for this, and this is, in addition to our hoods and the bedsides, we're going to start working on some more of those. But this giant screen needs a stealth protection on this thing. If you're like me, the fingerprints, that stuff just drives me nuts. In addition, we're going to do the PPF on the cup holder as well. We've got that carbon fiber trim on this, and I want to protect that so we're not putting stuff on there and getting that scratched up. If you don't want to do the stealth, we're also going to offer this in clear as well. But again, I wish that we did this on everything. It was available for everything. We did get a measurement, and we're about 1/16 of an inch to this edge here. That's going to give you just a little bit of room to slide that in, and get that centered. We have done this once before. We're very happy with it. So now we're going to do this on video. You guys can see how easy this is to do. Keep in mind, this is not like our Bronco where we could soak this screen. I'm not about to I don't want this to get real wet. So we're gonna do some safety measures here, and just kind of tape some microfibers all the way around, just like we're performing surgery or something, to protect that, because we are gonna get that screen nice and wet with our soap water mix. That's gonna be 6 to 8 drops of soap, and the rest of that in a 32-ounce spray bottle of water. These are just our shop towels, and again, we've also just cleaned the screen. Just even those little felt cloths that come with your sunglasses, you can do that. Make sure you use a little bit of alcohol so there's nothing on there. Like I said, we have already done this, but you want that to be perfect. And we're just using our shop towels to go over this. Let's go ahead and get these started. So hopefully this is going to be the first of many videos for the T-Rex, or the TRX. I call it the T-Rex. This truck is awesome, absolutely insane with power. But everything we touch, we want to modify, and this little stuff like this is no exception. These are those little things that hopefully help out people, just those little pieces. So we want to get right up on that edge. Don't want to go over that, because that's where our PPF is going to be. And just another piece of tape to hold this up. On this side, the same thing for that right side, and then again for the bottom. Be sure and like and subscribe if you haven't already. Follow us for new content. I think we were talking before about once we hit 1,000 subscribers, we're going to do a $250 gift card to products on the site. So that hopefully that could be you or one of your friends. Again, this may not be totally necessary, but again, I'd rather be safe, not risk any issues. You need to go back to the dealer and they want to know what happened, and that may be a harder one to explain. All right, so that's done. I want to make sure that your hands are clean. We are going to touch just briefly the back side of this. I use my fingernail just to get that started. Again, that soap water mix, it's going to be a lot. So, I mean, just missed it. I know in one of those videos we had it on stream. And I've got those little plastic squeegees. It doesn't take much to get that on there and get a good set. Like I said, get that nice and wet. You're going to spray both sides of this. Let's get that on there. And then we'll spray this again. front. Like I said, you're gonna have a little bit of room to play with this, not a whole lot, but we didn't want it to be too snug or too loose. We were very happy with it. Thought that was just the right spot. Make sure you've got some lighting in here. You've got the roof open, doors open, and I think that's about it. So once that starts to set, we're just gonna go ahead and work from the top and work our way down. Didn't have to be too hard, just enough to firm. And once that's done, I think that's about it. I'm going to take this top one off so I can wipe. Just kind of take a peek at that. You kind of look at the angle, look at the light and see if that's where you want it. Well, it's still got some moisture under there. Now's the time to lift it if you need to get that back on there, but do it quick. Once this adhesive sets, you may start seeing some lines of those adhesion lines under it once it sets. That looks fantastic. So we're just gonna go ahead and wipe that down. And really that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and get this cleaned up, a little bit of water there, and show you what this looks like. See if you can see the difference on camera. Again, here it's amazing. I absolutely love that matte look. All right, let's check this out. I think I've got this on dark. Even though I'm in the garage, when I'm out driving in the day, I like the dark background. And I can't again, I don't know if you can see if this is clear or not. It is on from my point here, but again, it still allows you